Guys, it's your girl Entire Armani and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a wig review and install, and this wig is from BestHairBuy.com. So they sent me over their 20-inch transparent lace, aka Swiss lace frontal wig, 13x6 water wave, and y'all just look at it, like, just to get into it, okay? So in this video I'll be reviewing this hair and also showing you guys how I install and style it. So I don't want this intro to be too long, and I want y'all to just go ahead and just get right into this hair. So if you want to see how I got this install and style, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so today we'll be installing this transparent lace front wig, and it's from BestHairBuy. This is the packaging it comes in. So now I'm just gonna open up the box and see what's inside. Inside the package it has a little information card, and it also tells you how to care for the hair. It also came with wig caps. Y'all know I love when hair companies send wig caps with their hair because, girl, just be running out. And here is the hair. This is a 20-inch transparent lace, which is also known as Swiss lace water wave wig. It is a 13x6, so you can part it in the middle, you can part on the sides. The parting space is very long. This is how it looks on the inside. It has 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back, and it also has the adjustable straps if you want to make the wig a little tighter. Look at this lace. Like, what lace is what lace, okay? And I'm shook. Like, even like you could just see right through it. Like, look at my fingers. You really don't need to bleach the knots with this because the knots are like so tiny. Like, they're so tiny you can barely see them. So knowing me, I'm going to bleach my knots because I want my wig to look as natural as possible. If you want to skip that step with this wig, you can definitely do that. I'm about to go ahead and bleach the knots really quick, and I'll be right back for the install. Hey guys, so I went ahead and put on my stocking cap and I bleached the knots on the wig. Let me just go ahead and try her on. Okay, this is what it's giving on. It's giving scalp already, and I didn't even melt it in or nothing. It fits really good, nice and snug. I don't know what cap size this is, but I will be sure to leave all the information down below in the description box as usual. Okay, so now that we see she fits, let's go ahead and start applying. Okay guys, so now that the wig is on, she is secure, She's not going nowhere. I'm about to go ahead and style. I was letting my baby hair sit. I went ahead and did my makeup. So now we're going to take the wrap off. Baby! I dare somebody say, this isn't my hair. Like, I dare you. I triple dog dare you. Can you say scalp realness? The lace is bomb. Like, the lace is so thin, it just melted right into my skin. I didn't even tint it. I didn't put no foundation on the lace either. I put foundation on like the stocking cap, and you saw I put like a little concealer in between the parts just so it can like sharpen it up a bit. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling nice. So thank you again, BestHairBuy, for sending me over this transparent 20-inch water wave wig. Like this look, like this look at it. You guys want to purchase this hair, all details will be down below. I just keep looking at myself because this is so cute. So yeah, all the details will be down below. While you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers, y'all, and my birthday is coming up. So that's all I want for my birthday from you guys, is you to get me to 5,000 subscribers. I'll be like the happiest person alive. Like always, I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.